Okay, so today our topic is about the auto pick HU. Auto pick HU. You know that, okay, in the previous class also we used to go to the confirmation phase. Okay, in the confirmation phase, there we used to create one HU.
Are you sharing your screen?
No, I haven't shared my screen. Okay, I'm just explaining that. Okay.
Okay.
I'll share my screen. So in the previous class, what means until previous, what we used to do, we used to go to the confirmation page. There we have the pick HU concept. Okay, so and at the item level, we have the pick HU. We used to create one pick HU, and we used to what is that send the materials into the particular HU. Okay, to the packaging work center. But we have one concept, that is the auto pick HU, because every time you cannot able to what is that pick the HU and send it to the particular packaging work center. Okay, it is not possible all the time. So that what they have done, they have the concept called auto pick HU. In this, the HU, whatever the HU will be available in the system. Okay, the next number range, it will going to pick automatically, and it will going to create one HU, and material will be placed into that. Okay, then we will going to move that to the packaging work center. Here, some virtual storage type also will going to get generated. Okay, that is only to what is that pick the product, only to pick the product. Okay, so we're going to see how this auto pick HU can be achieved. Okay, so where we can able to maintain it. Okay, for auto pick HU, we need, okay, here pack spec is very important. Okay, we need to maintain the packaging specification, and packaging profile is also important for us. Okay, yesterday we have seen what is the packaging profile. I have just barely discussed on that. Like we have the PIPA as the packaging profile. Or else we'll discuss in this class. Okay, so we'll go one by one. So first, what we will do in means where we will be having the auto pick HU concept. Okay, I'll just go to the SAP screen. Okay, go to SPRO. Before doing the auto pick HU, we have to create the packaging profile. Okay, what about the packaging profile, and I'll going to show you now. Okay, so to define, okay, first thing I am defining here. First thing I am defining the packaging profile. Okay, so for packaging profile, SPRO IMG, SCM EWM, extended warehouse management. In that cross process settings, go to the warehouse order. Okay, here you have where is that? See here, define packaging profile for the warehouse order creation. Whatever the warehouse orders we are creating, for that I will going to prepare a particular packaging profile like that. Okay, just execute this. Here different warehouses, they have made the packaging profiles. Will make our own. Okay, to make this packaging profile, we require the sorting. Okay, this is one field what we require. Okay, what do you mean by sorting? I'll tell you. See here we have the different concept for the sorting of the materials. Okay, one is based upon the consolidation group. See, yesterday we have seen in the subtotal filter, it is taking based on the consolidation group, or else you can able to mention based upon the pick path. Pick path means what? You are going in one row. Okay, so I will just open one image and I'll explain you. Okay, let us consider you are going in this AL. Okay, you have the whatever the materials are there, no, to take that materials. Okay, some materials are there, you are going in this path. Okay, and you are accessing all the materials over here. Okay, this the path is this one. Here you are picking the material, pick path. Okay, So based upon how you move, okay, based upon how you move, based on that also you can able to define, okay, your sorting, okay, sorting of the what is that warehouse order creation rule, okay, how we will be picking the material, okay, and second thing is the consolidation group. So I am going to consolidate all these materials into one particular consolidation group. Means this is one activity area, or else we can say this is a storage type. The same storage type is the activity area, and I am consolidating all these materials into one consolidation group. Okay, it is a logical grouping up of the materials. So if you are moving here, you will not going to see a same materials here. There may be different materials are available, but as you are moving, you will going to pick all these materials. Okay, so that is how. So it is very easy for the picking up of the products. So that is why we're going to make it. Okay. So for that, we have to first create this sorting for our warehouse, and we have to come over here. Okay. Where we can able to create the sorting. Okay. First, I was preparing the what is that defined packaging profile. But for this, I want to have the sort rules. Okay. So this is the one. Okay. Copy this, and I'm going to just give it over here. Means you have to do it first only. So for preparing of the packaging profile, you have to do the sort rules. Okay, so I'll just enter into the sort rules. For our first thing is define sort rules. Just go here. Okay, so I'll just copy. Okay, these two sort rules I'll just copy, and I'm going to create it for my warehouse 1100. I'm going to make it. Okay, so this is CONS means this is for the consolidation group, and PIPA means this is for the pick path. We'll just use the pick path and we'll going to proceed. Okay. So just save this. So next thing we have to define the fields. Okay. Sort fields we have to define. Okay. So there we can able to see only two things. Okay. Sort fields based upon some around 49, 50 entries are there. You can see here. Okay. So this is based upon the activity area, activity, bin access type, stock type. You can take whatever the things you want. Okay, everything is available. Instead of this, if you want to have some different things, you can able to do the bodies. Okay, say supply area is there, queue is there, route. So many different things are there. Okay, these are enough. Okay, whenever you are creating the sort fields, these are enough. Okay, what I'll do, I'll just take these three. Okay, or else two you can take and copy them and give your warehouse number 1100. So how you are selecting the materials, that is the important. Okay, how you are choosing the path. Okay, so I just save this. Okay, so I have created the sort rules and the sort fields. That is the first thing. Okay, define sort rules and sort fields we have created. Next, go to the what is that packaging profile for the warehouse order creation tool. Just execute this. Say new entries for our warehouse. I am going to create one. What is that packaging profile? Okay, I'll say okay. Packaging profile is there. No? PP0 packaging profile 01 like that. I'm going to create. Okay, this is sorry 1100 pack profile. Okay, like that I'm going to pack profile. Okay, our packaging profile. You just give the name. Okay, and pack mode. Okay, whether it is a simple algorithm, complex algorithm, whether you are using the body. See, I said body means if you want to have any add-ins, okay, then business add-ins, you will going to use this. No, I just want to go for a simple algorithm. What do you mean by complex means? Sometimes you will be using two different things at once. Okay, so that time I never use this. Okay, complex algorithm. Okay, bodies and all. If you want to make, okay, they will going to create something different. Okay, like enhancements has to be happen over here, and they will going to use this. Okay, so we're going to go with the simple algorithm. Okay, and see whenever you are picking some HU means definitely we have to create the HU. Correct? We have to create the HU. Okay, so this is a must thing, and after that we have to assign warehouse tasks to the HUs. Okay, whatever the warehouse tasks are available, we have to assign them to the HUs. So these two things we have to give and click enter. We will going to open up with the sorting. Okay, so sorting, what we have only two sortings here. I'll just choose pick path and I'm going to proceed. Okay, So when I am traveling, okay, so based on the pick path, I am going to choose the products. Okay, like that I am giving. Okay, so this is my sorting. Okay, sorting we have just now defined it, no? So that is what I am giving it over here. Okay, so just save this. Okay, this is your packaging profile what you have created. Okay, so this is the first thing. Okay, next, okay, what we have to do for whatever the warehouse order creation rule, we have mentioned it yesterday. Okay, we have created warehouse order creation rule 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I will just go here. For all these things, I have to give this packaging profile. Okay, we have the option to give the packaging profile as well. Okay, warehouse is 1110. Just select all these things or select one and go in details. Okay, here we have the see packaging profile. Okay, if you see, you might have created the n number of packaging profiles. All those things will be appearing here. Okay, you just have to choose what is required for you. Okay, so I will go to the WCR. Okay, only one we have selected. Sorry. Okay, so I'll just save this. I'll go back and select other two as well. Details. Okay, I am going to enter the packaging profile, that is PP01. Okay, I will just go next. Here also I will going to assign PP01. For all the different things, I have assigned PP01. See, a simple thing, okay, this Auto Pick HU is a simple concept. Here, what we are doing, we have the different things, okay. Here we have assigned the subtotal filter. Okay, whenever you are going to assign the subtotal filter, I'm just okay. So see, I'll just show you this filter 3. Filter 3, I'll just show you. Filters, okay, just execute this. 1100 filter 3. See, when I have given the subtotal filter here, okay, this is a subtotal filter means you can observe here all these things, okay, alternative unit of measurement, warehouse process type, okay, all these things are we cannot able to enter them. Why? Because here you are including different products. Okay, if you are maintaining only the warehouse process type, if you are maintaining, you might be taking a simple means one particular product only. Okay, what is regarding to this particular warehouse process type. But here, if you are taking the subtotal means, as I said, it is taking based upon the consolidation group. So in the consolidation group, you might be having the different products. Okay, all those products, if it has to pick means, so these things are invalid for you. Okay, so like that we have created in the previous class about the consolidation, subtotal filters. Okay, and I have given whatever the packaging profile just now we have created, I have assigned them to the what is that rules. Okay, so our whatever the creation rules were there, I have assigned it to them. Okay, and just copy it, and else I'll just type it. Okay, second thing is assign the packaging profile to warehouse order creation rule. Okay, so I have said it like this. Okay, so we have to assign our packaging profile, whatever we have created, to the warehouse order creation rule. Okay, so next thing, we have a particular what is that for this packaging profile. Okay, whatever the packaging profile we are creating. Okay, so for this we have to have one pack spec. Okay, so we have already done the packaging specification. Okay, see, if you are packing materials into particular HU, then definitely you should have some packaging specification. Without the packaging specification, you cannot able to move further. So we have to create the packaging specification. And one more thing, okay, I'll just go to the new screen, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, Extended Warehouse Management, Master Data, and here define warehouse member control. Here we will be maintaining some default values, right? So I'll just go to my warehouse. If you go down here, this 0 BDL, okay, 0 BDL, this is the pick HU procedure. Okay, if you open this, there are different pick HU procedures are there. If you are going into the VAS, we will going to choose this VAS inbound, VAS outbound is there. Okay, reverse kitting is there. So all these things are available. But for warehouse order creation, we are providing the zero BDL only for the warehouse order creation. I'm telling. Okay. So this one we have means I have given it. Okay. So if you are not given it also, this is the default value, just a default value. If you are not giving this also, you have to give on your own. Okay. So that is there. So what I will do now, we have to create one packaging profile with the condition type as zero BDL. Okay. So with the condition type as zero BDL, what I'll do, I'll go to the /n. Okay, here logistics, go to the SCM EWM, extended warehouse management, master data. Here packaging specifications and pack spec. Okay, I want to create the pack spec for zero BDL with the condition type is zero BDL. I'll say new entries. Okay, and choose my packaging specification group and choose this. Go inside. So let us remove this auxiliary, okay, one, and I'll just use the main packaging. Let us consider like that, okay, like carton boxes. I am just putting the material in the carton box of the pallet and I'm moving it. Okay, just consider like that. Okay, so however you want, you can make it. Okay, so just choose the product. My product is 1100 mat 1 and just take. Okay, so this one is taken and go to the level. Here, how many products you want to put? Okay, this is the minimum quantity. How many quantities you can able to put? You may mention 5, 10, anything. Okay, if you have mentioned 1 to 1, if you are bringing two quantities, two HUs will going to create over there. Okay, if I'm going to mention two quantities, so target quantity is 2. In one carton box, you can able to maximum, you can put two quantities only, maximum. If you are maintaining 10 quantities, until 10 quantities, if you are doing the outbound delivery node, so that time until 10 quantities, it will going to pick it in one HU. If it is more than 10 means, it will going to create one more HU automatically. Okay, so you can provide anything here. Okay, just I have provided 2 and we'll proceed, or else just provide 1 to 1 we will take and we'll going to proceed. Okay, not an issue. So after that, what I have to do, I have to give the element here. Just go down. Sorry, here click on the element. So here you have to go down. Here packaging material. So I'll say 1100 carton. Okay, carton is my packaging material. Okay, just give this. Okay, now header is the important. Okay, go to the header, and here I need to take the. Means I am creating the warehouse order here. Okay, so zero BDL we have to take warehouse order creation. So here it is asking for the SU. My SU is 1100 SCU and give the packaging profile. Just now I have created PP01. This is my packaging profile. Just click enter. Okay, it is taken. Just activate it. Activate this profile. Okay, so our profile is now activated. You can see it over here. Okay, the profile is now activated. We have created the packaging profile, but we need one setting here against the activity areas. Actually, when you pick the material, it will store in one particular virtual storage type. Then from here, it will go to the packaging work center. I'll just show you one diagram. See, this is how pick HU concept will work. Okay, here some storage type is there. Okay, here we have some. Let us consider this is ST01. You are picking the material from ST01. Okay, we have some storage type. So you are picking the material. You are picking the material. So here one warehouse task will going to generate, and whatever the imaginary bin will going to generate here. Imaginary means we have to create in the system, but it will be imaginary if you are what is that working in the warehouse. because there is no separate bin, something like that for this. Okay, so this is the imaginary, but we're going to create that in the system. Whenever the person is coming here and picking the material in the trolley, this trolley is work as a one imaginary bin. Okay, actually it is not the packaging material here. If you are creating the trolley, it will going to take it in the trolley. If you are creating it in the carton box, it will going to take the carton box. If you are taking the pallet here, it is going to take it in the pallet. Okay, it is your choice which one you want to give, but it will be an imaginary bin only. First you are first you are picking to this imaginary bin. One warehouse task will going to generate. Okay, that is this whatever the imaginary bin is there. I'll say IMG bin. Let us consider IMG bin, imaginary bin. Okay, so for this, it will going to act as a end point for the picking. Correct? No, end point for the picking. Here is the source. Source is ST01. And what is the destination? The picking, whatever the imaginary bin is there, this is the destination. For packing work center, this imaginary bin worked as a, means it will going to work as a source bin. Okay, this will going to work as a source, and this packing is work as a destination. Here, as you are having already one HU warehouse task could generate here. Okay, so this is how the activity will going to take place. Okay, first you are picking it from the ST01. Here the source is storage type. Okay, so let us consider in our case it is ST01. I have the imaginary bin here, imaginary bin. Okay, so for this imaginary bin, this will going to treat as a one destination for the picking. It will going to work as a destination. Here one warehouse task, normal product warehouse task will going to generate here. Okay, so when you will be moving this material to the packing work center, no, here you have already brought the material in the HU. So one HU warehouse task will going to generate. How for this warehouse task, for any warehouse task, you have to have the two locations. One is the source and another is the destination. So here this imaginary bin will going to work as a source. Okay, and your packaging work center will going to work as a destination. Understanding this? Any doubts here?
No.
Okay, so I will just go to the system now. Okay, yes.
One quick question. So this concept also looks like POSC.
It does not look like POSC.
No, I mean, you are saying imaginary bin, and we are moving to imaginary bin, and we are having final bin, and we are moving to final bin. So it is step-by-step process. Same kind of step-by-step process. First, we will be doing unloading.
No. Well, one minute. Dinesh, actually, this should come in the POSC only, but it is not like a POSC. See, we are picking one. Earlier, how you are picking the material? You are picking the material like a confirmation. At the confirmation page, you used to go to the pick HU. There you used to give the HU for a picking up of the material. Have you remember that? Okay, but here the HU will going to pick automatically. We will not going to create the HU and we're going to put the material there. Okay, we will not going to assign the warehouse task to that particular material. It will going to create automatically and it will going to create on its own. Okay, that is how it is going to happen. Okay.
Inbound side, there is no chances to auto pick concept now.
No, we have done the packaging specification, no, in the inbound side.
Packaging.
Correct, no?
Yes.
That will going to work there. But here, this is for the auto pick HU. We are doing it. Okay.
Okay.
So what I'll do, as I shown you this diagram, what I want to do, I have to create this as a storage type here. Okay, I'll just let us create one imaginary storage type. Okay, so we'll just give the name imaginary only for this. Okay, so what I do, I'll go to the master data, go to the storage type here.
इतना सारा concepts है, कैसे याद रख लेते हैं श्री भाई?
Nobody will going to keep it.
एक जरूरी है क्या इसमें?
Double 1 double 0.
Dinesh,
प्रोफेसर है ऐसे ही नहीं बना इतना ज्यादा नहीं किया प्रोफेसर को आता है.
So let us take it is a IMGN storage type, means imaginary storage type. Okay. For this also, whatever the imaginary storage type you are creating, no, definitely it will be a final storage type only. Okay. So from the final storage type, okay, you are taking it to the packaging work center. See how we have defined our POSC. I'll just show you. Okay, it might be a OBD1 or OBD2 storage process, but how we have defined, I'll just show you. Okay, SPRO, IMG, SCM, EWM, extended warehouse management. And here, if you go to the cross process settings and warehouse task, POSC, storage process, I'll take. Okay, 1100. So 0 OBD1. Okay, anything OBD2 or OBD1 you take. But how what we have given, I'm just showing you. Okay, first it is going to pick the materials. Picking will be from where? It will be from the ST01 or some storage type, correct? So whatever the imaginary bin we are considering now, that also will going to act as a final storage type only. When the person is picking the material, he is over here only. Let us consider he is here only. This whatever the final the imaginary storage that we are considering, this will going to act as one final storage type. Okay, it is just once he's going to pick the material, then only it will going to create the HU warehouse task. Until that, it will going to create the product warehouse task only. Okay, so we're going to see that. Okay, so once it will going to pick, then we'll be having the packaging work center. We are moving into the packaging work center. But picking to packaging, picking will be done from here, but we have the imaginary bin concept now. Okay, that is what the auto pick HU concept. Okay, so that is in between this. It will be not shown in the system, but it is there like that. Okay, so what I will do, I will be creating a storage type here. Okay, so here for final storage type, I will going to create confirm put away HU, and this one completion put away completion will going to give and give this as a 4, and stock deletion will provide, and go down will going to give the confirm removal. The stock will be 002 only, because so once I'm going to give the availability to 002 means it is a F2 stock type. Okay, I have given it as a mandatory. Okay, just save this. I have created one storage type. For this, I have to create a bin, right? So what I'll do, /n/scwm/ls01. Okay, I'll create one bin. This is 1100 IMGN. Okay, IMGN. IMGN bin. Okay, I'll just give like this only. IMGN bin only. This is a
यहाँ पर तो we are having all the storage types and all the description as per our requirement.
There you will be having like numbers in the business. You will be having the numbers. Why I am giving like this? Because see, I am giving the numbers means we will get, even I will only get confused. Okay, sometimes, correct? No, what storage type we have created, something like that. But definitely, you will in the business they will be having some numbers. See, in right now where I am working now, we are just finding the nomenclature for the storage types. Okay, how we have to give the nomenclature. We will going to give something like this only. Okay, see here I have given storage type, but we have the spare part storage type. I'll going to give SPR or anything. Okay, spare part means SPPA or something like that. Okay, so like that we are giving the nomenclature and we are moving. We have to discuss that with the business only, correct? Nomenclature and all. Okay, so that time you should remember those things. Okay, so nobody can help in that. So I have created one bin over here. Okay, IMGN bin, something like this. Okay, now what we will do, we have a setting called Seva setting. See, as I said, whatever this imaginary bin we have created now, this has to be what is that source for a picking up of the material. It has to be source for a picking activity, and it has to be it has to be destination for the picking activity and source for the packing activity, correct? No, so for this we have to maintain it as a source as well as the destination, means start point as well as the end point. For that, we have the setting called as SAP setting in the storage bins. Okay, I'll just go here. Not okay. Anyway, go here. Go back. Okay, SAP setting. I'll just go to the easy access. Okay, SCM EWM extended warehouse management master data. Go in the bins. Okay, storage bin. Okay, storage bin. Okay, here this one. Assign start or end storage bin for the activity area. Double click on this. Okay. So I have to write this just a minute. So we have, okay, next step we have to write. Okay, third step, create a imaginary. Okay, you can give whatever the name you want. Okay. So imaginary storage type and create one bin. Okay, fourth one is SAP setting. Okay, I'll just copy and paste this. Okay, this one you have to do. Okay, so here I'll just enter inside this. Okay, we are doing it against our activity area, I said. Okay, against our activity area. From where you are picking the material? 1100. Activity area is ST01. Okay, so ST0 for ST01 storage type, we have created the activity area as ST01 only. And activity is picking. We are doing the picking activity. Against this, okay, against this, I will going to give IMGN bin and IMGN bin. Okay, this one I am just providing it here and save this. Okay, imaginary bin, I am giving it and I am saving it here. Okay, this is the only settings what we have to do. Any doubts here until these settings? Any doubts?
No.
Okay. So once we have due until this, what I have to do? Okay, let's go to create one order. Okay, VL 01 and O. Okay, I'll just create a one outbound delivery order. Okay, delivery type is yellow. 1100 is shipping point. 10 and 10. Click enter. Okay, here customer. And I'm going to give the today's date as a planned GI date. Okay, and material 1100. That one I'll give same thing. I'll just copy, paste here, paste here. Okay, quantity I'm going to take it as 2, 4, 7. 4. Done.
See, in production systems, whether we will be maximum creating this delivery without reference creation, normally we will go with the production order, sale order.
No, we'll be having the orders. Yes, based on the order only we'll be doing the what is that? All these deliveries. Sometimes only, okay, whenever you don't have the delivery, that time only you'll use it. SAP has given the provision.
It is same like initial stock upload. We are creating this OBD just like that with the materials what we require.
Yes. Have you created any time this one? Ever used this?
No, Sri Bhai, I never used. I never heard of this also. Normally, outbound delivery we will be creating even with PO. If it is warehouse manage initial stock upload, if we do over there, we will get outbound. And through that, we will be processing warehouse activities. That is what I know.
These are something like ad hoc activities. Okay, so they are not the planned one. Okay, if a planned one are there, then we'll be having the some orders. Okay, based on the order, we'll be doing it. But this is some ad hoc activities will be taking place now. That time we're going to use these things. Or else most of the time nobody will going to use it. But SAP has given the provision. Okay, whenever you are having some quick action to take place, that time we're going to use these things. Okay.
Ajay, have you used this, Ajay?
No.
Yes.
No, you can use the based upon the warehouse order is there. No, based upon that also you can create. That sales order is there. No, based
sales order. Yes, sales order against this OBD.
Well, you can take that also, but it is very easy to create. No, that is why I am coming here and creating this. Okay.
Okay.
So I am taking 2, 4, and 6 quantities. See, we have given the maximum of 4 in one Veros creation order. Sorry, that is what is that? Veros order creation rule. And we have given 5 to 10 in another Veros order creation rule. And above whatever the 10 kg is there, it will going to take it in the subtotal filter and it will going to create one more Veros order creation rule. Okay. We have to see all 3 Veros order creation rules now. Okay, we'll just check whether it will going to happen or not. Just save this. Okay, we have created one delivery. Okay, 651. Copy this. Go to the PRDO screen. /n/scwm/PRDO. Okay, give this outbound delivery number, execute it. See, it is taken here. Go to the outbound delivery, follow-on functions, Veros task. Okay, here this will going to pick from some of the other storage types, and I'm just confirming it. Okay, I'm just creating it. Okay, I'm creating it. So here you can see 3 Veros tasks were created. Okay, so how many Veros orders it is generating? Okay, you can observe here. See here, this is some what is that Veros order. See here, this is one Veros order, this is second Veros order, this is third Veros order, like that we have created. And you can set the Veros order creation rule. WCR1 is there, RC2 is there, WCR3 is there. Correct, no? How it has taken? You already know this, correct, no? Hello?
Yes, yes.
Okay. So if you double click on this, okay, here why it is taken? Because it is only having the 2 quantity. If 4 quantity is there, okay, that is 5 to 10 quantity, it is coming in the WCR2, okay, and more than 10 quantity, whatever it is there, it is coming in the WCR. So this is how it is taken. Now, one important thing, okay, that time we used to select this and go to the pick HU and we have to pick some different HUs. But here you can see pick HU is created automatically. Some HU is created automatically for everything, okay. If you go over here, double click on this. Here also some HU is created automatically. See where it is going? It is going to the imaginary bin. Okay. So again, if you are seeing some other HU is there, it is going to the imaginary bin. Okay. How it will going to proceed? If you want to check, I'll just go back. Go to the monitor. Copy this. Go to the environment and monitor. SAP execute. Go to the outbound documents. Outbound delivery order, Veros task. Give this outbound delivery, execute this. Okay, so here I'll just proceed with the first one. Okay, so the first one here, see what is the step? It is the picking step. Picking step it is happening. Okay, and where you are picking from? ST01. What is the destination? Okay, this is a destination storage type. It is packing work center. Correct? No? Now what I'll do, I will just execute it in the backend. Okay, confirm Veros task in the background. I'll just do it. Just observe here. One more Veros task should generate here. Okay, Veros task is generating. Okay, see here. First thing, what is that here? See, first thing we are picking the things. Veros task will going to generate. Okay. Now Veros task is already generated. Okay, here. Okay, where you have seen Veros task confirm. Here Veros task was generated already. Okay, Veros task was generated. Based upon that, Veros orders also generated. But here, okay, this is second thing where from the pick HU, this is the imaginary HU. From here, it will be moving to the packaging work center. See, from the packaging work center. Observe here. See, imaginary bin is there. From the imaginary bin, it is moving to the packaging, and you have created one HU here. See, you have created a HU Veros task. Got it, no? Earlier you have created the product Veros task. Okay, one Veros task you have created, but now you are creating the HU Veros task. Here you can observe. First it has created the Veros task. That is the product Veros task. Now you are creating the HU Veros task. Understanding? From imaginary bin to the packaging work center it is going. Got it? And you should see it in the packaging. See, I'll just confirm it. I'll confirm this. And we'll check it in the packaging work center, whether it is there or not. Okay, this HU is there or not, we have to check it. Okay. So
one quick question.
Yes.
Imaginary bin which you are saying right now, it is same like interim bin.
Yeah, 1 minute, 1 minute. Rahul, here. Here. ಹೌದಾ ನಾವು ಒಂದು 2 ನಿಮಿಷ ಬರ್ಲೈತಿ ಹೌದಾ ತೆಗಿತೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಓಕೆ Okay. Yeah, Dinesh, you are asking something.
Yeah, Srivai. So actually, in warehouse, in normal warehouse orders, I mean, not in EWM, in WMS module. Over there, we have interim bin concept, right?
Yes.
Interim bin concept, imaginary bin concept, both are similar.
Similar, I can say. Okay, interim means they are similar only. You are right. But interim bin concept, no. Interim means you are storing and you can see the product you are storing there like that. But here you cannot see means the products are there. We'll quickly pass that to packaging work center. Okay. It is a moving, what is that, interim storage you can say. It is moving, no, that trolley, he is taking it from the picking to packing. It is moving. But interim means most of the time it will be stable and you can store the products for some time and from there it is going to pick it, correct, no? Yeah, it is not something like that. So that is why they are taken it as an imaginary.
Concept is similar, but we define it in a different way.
Yes.
Okay.
So now it has taken. So if you are just observing it in the what is that packaging work center, we'll just go. Okay, we will go. Okay. Okay, pack /n/scwm/pack. So what is my packaging work center? 11 PA. Just execute this. We'll be seeing this HU. Okay, so this is the same HU here. Okay, so like this you have to if you are finishing this activity, just finish it within the same pattern box. Okay, then if you are refreshing the screen, it will going to create one more warehouse task for you. Okay, that is for the staging above the product. Okay, so then you can able to stage it, then we can load it. Okay, so like this you are going to take the activities. Okay, so if you are confirming it, okay, it is created one more warehouse task. Okay, see, goods issue, that is the loading step. So we're going to load it. See, earlier it was not coming, now it is coming, loading step. It is some system, if it is like it is stuck, no, that time it will not going to show the loading. Now it is showing the loading. Okay, see, so this is how will be, means I have just completed for one material. Just similar way we can complete for other materials as well. Okay, now got it? Okay.
Yeah.
So today we'll complete it, finish it here only. Tomorrow I'll take the fresh topic, that is the HU upload. Okay, we have seen the product upload only. We will going to see HU upload also. How we will going to upload the HU and all. Okay, so those things I'm going to check it tomorrow. Today only I thought of taking it. Okay, it will take some 15 to 20 minutes. That's it only. But my owner son marriage is there. Okay, so that is why they are